yam chawthok chaningai ni khoi Manipur gi population se hardly 30 lakhs muktani and masidai the yam chawthok chaningai se koi army rank officer se both navy air force and army ohum kanosida defense ki sida koi subject to confirmation around 350 officers le officer rank singasi makte da urangani lieutenant general brigadier colonel captain major all that mayam ubirangani say koi per capita da our Manipur might be the highest who contribute our army officer to the nation. Hey, nahan ai kano ki da koi INS ki launch to bugi do isalui Rajnath ji ne karine madai the navy ki officer mayam yorme even nuclear submarine ki commander se he was from Manipur. How we are contributing for the nations, how our people sacrificing for the nation. Sidai da koi we should proud talk them ne koi sok thok them akoi je sok thok ko hite akoi takat padi hai aduga sok thok ko hite sok thok ko takat ko khene ko sok thok them ne koi maram de koi out of 4 lieutenant general in the entire Northeast, 2 are from Manipur, Himalaya and the LNC. Sigi proudness se koi laigare bani. Sangraba Indian military ki history da, Sangraba Indian army ki history da, Sangraba nation ki history da, Northeast ki laidiba karor manga taragi marak sidai da, Lieutenant General Mari da, 2 are from Manipur. Aduna ekhoi se singdhanaba wai khu gi taibam ne adagi takhatpam ne ani sudile chok thok ba hita ba hita adai khoi chok thok da bani ma khoi gi dam ka mang da thamaga khoi chok thok da bani